Right?
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
What now? Okay, no.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.